Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Kalsum binti Faisal. My ID is 2023116093.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sanizani binti Muhammad Rozwan. My matric number is 2022389127.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Alia Minsa binti Umair. My ID number 2023126937.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Saada binti Jagir Firdaus. My ID student is 2023126893.
Assalamualaikum and hi. We have chosen Nisha Kitchen as a group project regarding the sole proprietorship business. Nisha Kitchen is owned by Fazriatul Nisha binti DC and from Kelantan. She's 30 years old. The business located at Cafe Angsana UiTM Puncak Alam, Selangor. Nisha Kitchen founded since 2018 until now. Before Fazriatul Nisha opened the business, she worked as a chef at hotel in Kuala Lumpur. Then, after she resigned, she planned to open a business to more serious at UiTM Puncak Alam. Next is business activity. Nisha Kitchen is more to food and beverage, F&B, and also catering. This company founded by her own capital, which is owner's capital. She used 10,000 ringgit Malaysia as a capital to start up the business. However, mostly the customer is a student and staff at UiTM Puncak Alam. So it is very good to start up to open the business. This is a business characteristic. As you can see, Nisha Kitchen have four business characteristic. Firstly, the sole business is Nisha Kitchen has obtained approval from companies, Commission of Nisha (SSM), to ensure that the business is in accordance with national laws. Secondly, for the capital, Fazriatul did not take any risk by taking out a loan from the bank. In fact, she took out her own savings to invest in her own business. Thirdly is Nisha Kitchen is an unlimited liability, that is, if this business fails and the assets are not enough to cover the debt, the payables have a right against Fazriatul personal properties. This business is managed and controlled by the owner. Fazriatul believes that running this sole business will make it easier for her to make management as well as decisions for the future good of her business. Lastly, for book and accounts, this type of business no legal obligation to keep the books and prepare accounts. However, Fazriatul should maintain records for business activities in order to judge whether these operations are generation a profit.
Now we'll be going through about the classification of business one by one. So for the first one is asset. Nisha Kitchen had two types of asset, which are current and non-current asset. Non-current asset is something that we can see and touch. That is called tangible asset. For example, Nisha Kitchen had furniture and kitchen equipment like freezer, chiller, and chair. Other than that is intangible non-current asset. This one we cannot see and we cannot touch because it is non-physical asset, such as trademark, goodwill, and brand name. For Nisha Kitchen, the Nisha Kitchen itself, it is the example of brand name. Next is current asset. Nisha Kitchen had cash in hand and cash in bank. Other than that, Nisha Kitchen also have inventory, which value raw material, stocks, and goods. Next of the business classification is drawing. From the business owner itself, she will draw some money from the business fund for personal use, like entertainment expenses. Next is liability. From our case study, the owner just shared that they doesn't have any liability as they pay all the non-current and current asset with cash. For the owner equity, it means that when the owner contribute the capital to the business. For example, Puan Nisha contribute 40,000 ringgit cash to start the business. So let's move to the next classification of the business, which is revenue. The revenue for Nisha Kitchen is 25,000 ringgit per month. Last but not least is expenses. Expenses is when the owner is purchase goods or assets for the business. The expenses for Nisha Kitchen is where she will pay utility for about 200 per month, 5,000 ringgit for salary, 130 ringgit for petrol expenses, 2,000 for purchase inventory, and lastly 26,000 ringgit for rent at Puncak Alam per year.
Next, recording process of Nisha Kitchen. Source documents are original records for business transactions like invoice, receipts, and bank statements. They include essential details such as date, parties involved, amount, and description. These documents form the basis for accurate accounting entries and provide an audit trail. Proper management and retention of source documents are vital for compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Next, journal entries are the initial records of financial transactions in a Nisha Kitchen's accounting system. Each entry includes the transaction date, accounts involved, and debit and credit amounts to maintain balance. For example, a sale triggers a journal entry debiting accounts receivable and crediting sales revenue. Entries are first documented in the general journal and then posted to the general ledger for detailed record keeping. Accurate journal entries are essential for precise financial statements and reliable financial reporting. Last, final statements summarize Nisha Kitchen's financial performance and position at the end of a period. They include the income statement like revenues, expenses, net profit or loss, balance sheet like asset, liabilities, equity, and cash flow statement like cash inflow or outflows. This report aids stakeholders in assessing financial health and efficiency. They are prepared following generally accepted accounting principles or international financial reporting standards for consistency and accuracy. Next, financial transactions of Nisha Kitchen are the first QR Pay. QR Pay transactions involve fund transfer by scanning a QR code with a mobile device. Customers scan the merchant's QR code using their payment app to initiate the transaction. The app securely communicates with the customer's bank to transfer the specified amount to the merchant's account. QR Pay is a fast, convenient, and secure, reducing the reliance on cash or cards. Its popularity grows due to its simplicity and increasing acceptance among merchants. Second, cash transactions. Cash transactions involve exchanging physical currency for goods, service, or assets. the buyer provides banknote or coins to the Nisha Kitchens, who verifies the cash before completing the transaction. These transactions are immediate and don't involve credit cards or electronic methods. They are often used for small purchases and expenses requiring immediate payment. Proper documentation is crucial for accurate record keeping and reporting.
I will talk about the strength and weakness of the business recording process. Journals are essential tools for recording process, offering several key strengths. Firstly, data record keeping. Journals provide a detailed and chronological record of events, transactions, and process. This through documentation can be invaluable for tracking progress and reviewing past actions. Secondly, accountability. By recording who will perform specific tasks and when they will complete, journals promote accountability. This transparency can help identify responsibilities and ensure tasks are followed through. Thirdly, improve accuracy. Regular entries in a journal reduce the likelihood for forgetting critical details, thereby improving the accuracy of the record information. This is particularly useful in communication process. The last one is trend analysis. Journals allow for the identification of patterns and trends over time. This can be crucial for process improvement as it highlights recurring issues and opportunities for optimizations. While journals are valuable tools for recording process, they do have several weaknesses. Firstly, time-consuming. Maintaining detailed and accurate journal entries can be time-consuming, potentially diverting time from other critical tasks. Secondly, human error. Entries in journals are susceptible to human error, such as omissions, inaccuracies, or misinterpretations, which can compromise the reliability of the data. Thirdly, inconsistency. Different individuals may have varying levels of diligence or methods in recording entries, leading to inconsistent data that can be difficult to standardize and analyze. The last one is security risk. Physical journals are vulnerable to loss. Theft or damage. Digital journals can face cybersecurity risks such as unauthorized access or data breach if not properly secured. And that's all from me. Thank you for listening.